If you're a creative professional or currently working on your site, customizing your lock screen will enhance your visitor's first impression. To get started, navigate to your design panel and click Lock Screen. Click Change Layout to browse through the different layout options. You'll change the background image later, so focus more on the placement of the text and password box now. Once you find the layout you like, select it and click Save. Back in the lock screen panel, select Branding and Text. Here you can choose to display text, like a name or title, or a logo to represent your brand on the lock screen. As a note, it's not possible to display both a logo and main text at the same time. If you select text, enter the main text for the screen. If you select logo, drag and drop an image file into the image uploader. We'll select text for this video. Keep in mind that each layout positions this text differently, so this may look a bit different on your end. Next, you can enter a headline or message in the headline box. You can use this box for a variety of purposes, from your tagline to a creative phrase that entices visitors to log in or check back soon. In the body box, you can enter and format longer text for the lock screen. To show or hide a lock image, check or uncheck Lock Icon. The lock icon is a helpful visual indicator of a password-protected page. We'll enable it on our lock screen. Every lock screen layout can feature a full bleed background image or background color. Within the imagery panel, you can add a single image by dragging the image into the image uploader, or upload multiple images in the same way to create a slideshow. To use a background color, check Hide Images. You'll be able to change the background color in the Style panel later. We'll be using multiple images for our own lock screen. Lock screens are styled independently of a site's template. In the Style panel, you can change the typography and colors using similar tweaks as a style editor. Use the options to change the elements of the lock screen. You'll notice as you adjust the style using the tweaks in the panel, the preview of the lock screen will change. Once you've set all of your style settings, click Save. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.